Hey guys, it's Stanley here. I had a custom order for JavaScript bot that snipes new listings, and the guy was okay for me to share it. So here I am. I call it Pancake Sniper, but it actually works on both Uniswap and Pancakeswap. It works by scanning the pending transactions and buying the new tokens as soon as it's added to the exchange. Here is a very good example I found where such bot was used. This was on token called Pokemon about a month ago. The guy bought at the same second and made around $3 to $4 million in profit. You can see here that this is the liquidity add transaction, and here is his order. And with my script, you can do the same. I also made a website. Here is where you can read all about it, check the details, and frequently asked questions. I offer two versions of the bot: the regular basic and the plus version, on which has a couple more features and works on projects that have antibots in place. You can read more details about both of these bots on the product page and frequently asked question page I have here. I really tried to lay it all out for you guys, so make sure to read all of it. Let me set up an example sniper transaction for you and show it how it works. Okay, so I have the bot set up with all my info. Very specific instructions will be included with bot files. Here is a quick look. Okay, back to the script. As I don't have a token to snipe now, I simply will set up to scan for liquidity add transactions that has BUSD involved. As soon as the bot finds one, it will place a buy order. I set it up so it buys a small amount of BUSD. Let's run it and wait to see what happens. So, as shown here, it found the liquidity add transaction and bought the tokens. Let's confirm that by going into bscscan.com and check out our wallet. Here is the transaction it found, and here is the buy order for my wallet. As you can see, they are all the same time. A good 0-second snipe. Back to the website. You can place the order here for the bot. It will come in fully open script format, so you can check it that it's safe. Checkout only requires your email address, nothing else, to keep things simple. You can pay with any cryptocurrencies, and once the order is placed, you will receive the links to the files. If you have any questions, make sure to firstly read all the info on the website, and if you still have any questions, feel free to contact me via Telegram. I will leave details below.